Man, talk about freaking timing. Oh, look. I got another freaking Legend. Oh, I have a drunken issue problem. I gotta stop going on eBay. What's up, Acura Legend owners and enthusiasts? As you can see in the previous videos and a couple of the pictures I posted, I got a new ship box. Yes, because I needed another Legend like I needed a hole in the head. So let's take a look and see what I spent a stupid amount of money on and brought it here to show the channel. Well, guys, it's that time of year again where I get another fucking stupid Legend that I don't need, but at least I got something cool planned for this one. So we have a 93 LS 6-speed. Some of you have actually owned this car, and I think a few of you. But she just needs a little love. You know, as you saw yesterday, the body panels weren't on, but I have literally just thrown them on to show a complete car. The motor does run and drive. So far, no issues. Looks pretty standard. Has an intake. Had new valve covers put in. I believe a timing belt and water pump, because it has 273,000 miles on it, apparently. Can't verify that, but who knows. I just noticed, somebody doesn't know how to put a thermostat in, and they just goop the shit out of it. But anyways, yeah, got 2 fenders, got a hood for it, got a couple extra grills. The headlights are just busted the hell and back, so that don't matter. There's no AC in this bitch. So, yay, room for activities. Got some cool Enkai wheels, Type 2 calipers and rotors up front that are slotted and drilled. But, I don't know, maybe in the back I'll show you the cool stuff. Nice door with working handle. Got that ugly ass Type F interior, but we do got race seats with a very, very short throw shifter. I mean, it's not bad, not horrible. We've seen worse dashes, you know. It is complete. It actually is complete in this car. All the pieces and parts that are missing are literally sitting right here. Got trim, mirrors, taillights, headlights. The other door panels are right there. You know, drilled rotors in the back again. It's really nothing fancy. It's got a full exhaust on it, which is nice because I will be driving this, just with some weird shit going on with it. It does need hood struts. It does need a lot of other dumb stuff. Like, I don't even think there's proper springs, but that's why I got to hold the trunk. It was cashmere, desert mist, whatever the 93 color was, I forget. But all the carpet is there. I got an automatic burlwood console, mud flaps, just a bunch of crap that I really, really didn't need. And of course, because it's from Texas, we got that Mexican brake light. But overall, it's a clean ass car. So, oh wait, I forgot to show you the best part about this car. It has a full exhaust, meaning no cat, all the way back, 2.5-inch pipe, and we got some motherfucking conies. Yes, sir. Coney reds all the way around that are decent. No blown shocks that I've seen so far. Hope you guys enjoyed my very expensive Legend purchase, because it was free, but the shipping cost more than the damn... Well, in good shape, the shipping cost more than what the car was worth. But hey, whatever. Manual swap parts with a 6-speed, running Type 2 that's in good shape, no blown head gasket. I'll take it. All right. Kind of got some fenders bolted on, kind of got the headlights in. I am going to attempt to start this for the first time. I've yet to hear this run in person. Oh shit, it's a little one here. But supposedly, it'll run for about a second and then die because of the alternator. All right. Shit runs. I'm not even mad. Nope. There's no fucking lights on the dash besides the SRS because, oh yeah, I don't have any brake lights in. That's right. Not bad at all. That sounds fucking nice. All right, this is the second start of the car. Just had to move the seats around and had to make sure there was oil in it because I forgot to check. But, oh, I can't reach the pedals. I really gotta say, I fucking like this exhaust. Oh, I gotta put some lights in this bitch and cut the fucking roof off. And put an alternator in it. The most expensive fucking project shitbox I've ever bought. At least it sounds good though. It's a strong running motor. And because we always need revs, let's see what this is like. Holy shit, fuck. This is gonna be so loud without a roof. Here's a teaser for what's coming. You can't tell. It looks like a car again, doesn't it? Just needs about 50 or 60 zip ties, and she's ready to hit the streets.